This 2023 Christmas season was full of Royal Stewart Tartan decor. From the very high-end stores to crafting stores, boutiques, online, social media, wherever you turn, you see all these Tartan Stewart Plaid designs. Today, I am taking you to my home and showing you all my handmade DIYs that I made for this season, for our Christmas holiday. And hello, my darlings. I am C and this is CJ DIY. First thing, we are going at my front porch where I put my Mrs. Claus wreath with my two shutter windows, some greeneries, and some plaid poinsettias. And all together, this is how it ended up looking. For the full tutorial, I'm gonna have the playlist on my description box. But if you like a mega video from all those DIYs that you're gonna see today, please give me a comment and I will be more than happy to make one mega video from all those crafts creations that you're gonna see today. On my bench, I added some pillows, some Santa box, and some greeneries. This is my front door with the famous berry wreath that I made. And now let's get inside. In my entryway, hallway, whatever you like to call, on top of my vintage French cabinet that I have, I added all my Santa decor that I made. I added some frosted greeneries with my golden angels, letter to Santa, Christmas decor, and all those plaid bows on top of them, more Santa with berries, Christmas song inspired creations that I made also with the cardinal, and the wooden tree with plaid behind, and the woodland wreath and the vintage car, and all together I think it looks just the perfect entryway for this Christmas season. In my living room, there's so many details, and I bring that beautiful traditional scent in my house with the natural looking garland on my fireplace and the beautiful 7.5 feet Christmas tree with the candle pillars on my coffee tables. There is so many details and I decorated with so much love. But when you look at all these creations, most of them I made them this season. And as I mentioned, the playlist is in my description box to see all those beautiful one-by-one DIYs that I made. Also on the bottom, I got those beautiful wrap gift boxes with those bows. There is also a tutorial for those if you like to know how I made them. There is some cute gifts for my girls inside of it. And now let's see all the details on my fireplace. From the Dollar Tree bells that I made, some beaded garland, and the cedar natural looking garland that I purchased from Joanne. Added some bow, berry, those trees, wooden trees. If you watch my channel, you know how I made them. The plaid, Stewart plaid bucket also. And now let's see all the details on my Christmas tree. From the large bow that I made, I added some feather picks behind it, 3 or 4 of them purchased from Joanne for $2 a piece. And I think adding those feathers just give more texture to my topper on my Christmas tree. And I added some plaided ribbons, golden, burgundy, red ornaments. Some of them are the ones that I got throughout the year. Some of them are from Dollar Tree. But most of the tree is filled with my DIY ornaments that I made this year. I also added those beautiful Stewart plaid poinsettias. Those are from Joann's. And red cardinal, golden ornaments also. And I made sure my Christmas tree was full of decorations and happy look. On top of the fireplace, I added my 2 churches that I made, wooden box with the frosted peaks inside, mason jar, 2 candle holders that I made with IOD transfers, 2 of my stamp tags that I made beside my TV, and my coffee table. I wanted to leave simple as much as I can. I added this fur white runner that I have. I added my Pottery Barn dupe tray that I made with this beautiful Stewart Plaid design, vintage tree inside of it, some frosted peaks, this candle pillar with some bows on them, velvet reindeers, and that's it. On my couches, I left 2 plain plaid pillows, and of course we got our blankets, but I just make it nice, simple, cozy, and beautiful. On top of the entryway between the family room and my dining room, I added this belief sign that I made, ornament sign that I made. I made it these golden red bows. I made 2 of them on each side. I added red LED star candles, and I think it looks just gorgeous nighttime when I light up the lights with those LED candles. It's such a beautiful look. Now we're going into my dining room. From red chargers to red border plates from Dollar Tree, I also added those plaid napkins with some red and green rings. In the middle, I got red velvet runner with some frosted garland. In between, I even decorate my chandelier with some red berries, and I made sure that everything is nice and cohesive with every detail that I added. I made some cup of tea, homemade muffins, and some Christmas cookies ready to be served. And I added some candle holders that I made. Also added some plaid bows with the berries, my plaid frames in the middle. On the centerpiece, I added my thrifted glass vase. I fill it out with those red and golden fillers from Dollar Tree. Added some frosted peaks on top with these plaid poinsettias and some greeneries, and all together is just beautiful. And with this today, I show you that you don't need to spend a fortune to make your house look like this for the holidays. All of this stuff are made by me with a very low on a budget crafts. And as I am full-time worker, mom, and a wife, I had time to manage all these creations, and I can tell you that everybody can do this. I set up a mini tier tray on the corner with all my crafts, also with my stack books, stacks, decorations, cardinals. On the wall, you got Mary and Jesus. This is an old vintage art that we got from my husband's grandma over 30 years. I decorate my cabinet, my dining room cabinet, with the nativity set, lots of ornaments, bows, and nativity and church on top of the cabinet as well, and inside with the tabletops and ornaments and all that. And on the corner, I added my old mini tree. I added all those Dollar Tree bows and ornaments, and it worked just perfect on the bottom with the vintage Santa that I added. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to wish a very merry, healthy Christmas to all of you and your family and everybody to the world. Blessings to all. Thank you to all of you who are supporting my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And my darlings, until next time, from next week, we are starting a new season. I want to wish you nothing but the best from my heart and my family. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.